Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's tabletop review and installation video, we're going to be upgrading my iPhone 13 Pro. What I have here in front of me, I have a 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors. These are specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro. This company, which not exactly sure how to pronounce it, Mkeke. Mkeke. I picked these up off of eBay. The 3-pack of the screen protectors ran about $7.64. I'll put the link in the description. And I also have a Mkeke iPhone 13 Pro clear case with black edges, which ran me about $15.99. The case is made from PC and TPU material. Has a 3.5 millimeter camera lip, a 3.1 millimeter wall. It is, of course, the main area is transparent. It's listed as being an anti-yellowing plastic. Supports wireless charging. They don't have a MagSafe case for the iPhone 13 Pro. They do have one for the iPhone 14 though, if that's of interest to you. I'll also put the link for that item in the description of the video if you want to check it out. So these are my first products by this particular company. The price was reasonable. We have my iPhone 13 Pro here. I have the space gray one. So that's what we're going to be working with today. This video will cover installation of both. There's not a whole lot to installing the case. We will take a look at everything. Let's start off with the screen protectors. So this is nicely packaged. Of course, I've already opened this. I opened it to inspect it to make sure it's the correct one, and everything is inside of it that I need. It basically just says 6.1 inch on it, which is the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's see, Pro S Plus 9H Plus hardness 3+ pack. What we got inside, 1, 2, 3 screen protectors. We have these little stickers. I've used these before. The big one is a dust absorber. It's just a little slightly adhesive sticker that you can use to get dust off of your screen. These are guide stickers. So you got a bunch of those. Well, you got 3 of them, one for each screen protector. And you've got this. You may not be able to see this, but they're clear little round circular things. I don't know exactly what those are for. Probably, maybe the instructions will say. There's only 2 of those. Let's see, what else we got here? We've got a wet wipe and dry wipe. So I guess this is for cleaning your screen. That would make sense before you install the screen protector. There's 3 of those, so for one for each screen. And it comes with this instruction sheet right here. Clean the screen with alcohol swab and microfabric. Use the dust absorber to remove the dust. Align with the alignment frame. Peel the protective layer off the adhesive glass. Line up the screen protector edge for the right position. Press the center of screen protector. So those are the instructions, and they don't say anything about this, and they don't say anything about these guide stickers. They only mention the dust absorber, and they don't mention anything about these cleaning swabs. It seems like clean the screen with alcohol and then use the microfiber to clean the screen. So we'll see how it works here. They also, this is the first time I've seen one of these. This is a little plastic frame used, let's get this out of the way. to guide your installation, let's see, make sure the camera was, let's make sure everything is correct here. Okay, so this would go over the top, and that provides a guide for installing the screen protector, because that creates a little lip there. So that's pretty cool. This is obviously the correct item for the iPhone 13 Pro, so that looks like that will work out just fine. So let's go ahead and see if we can use some of these included items to do this. Let's see. We'll try to follow the instructions and move some of this other stuff out of the way. Probably should check the screen protectors. Alright, so this screen protector has a tab. You peel this side off and this goes down, so that's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and break out a wet wipe. It definitely smells like alcohol. I don't think it makes any difference if your phone's on or off when you do this. I've already pretty much cleaned the phone beforehand, but there was still some miscellaneous debris on the screen, so we'll use the wet wipe. And if we, I'm not sure what this dry wipe is. It is a little cotton swab with nothing on it, so on the dry wipe that's pretty straightforward. It's a dry wipe. So wipe it down. Simple enough. We also have this microfiber. I guess we could wipe it down with that, since that's also in the instructions. Alright, so I'm going to put this up to my face real quick to make sure that there is nothing on here. No little specks of dust. Sorry, it's off frame because I've got it right up to my face, making sure that I don't have a big fat fingerprint somewhere. And it obviously helps if your phone is off so you can see what's going on with the screen. Okay, so that's wiped down. The instructions basically say to use the dust absorber to remove dust, so we'll go ahead and use one of these. And it's designed just to kind of work like that. Sorry if I'm taking it out of frame there. Got to get it up close up to my face to make sure there's no dust on the screen. When it's 12 inches from my face, I can't see those little particles of dust. Okay, so hoping that I don't sneeze on it or get my fingerprints on it. Okay, so we've got that in place. And let's go back to the instructions. Peel off the protective layer. Line up the screen protector edge to the right position. So that would be this side where the your main button is. Set it in place and then press the center of the screen protector. So let's see if we can follow those instructions precisely. And it looks like there's only a protective piece of film on the adhesive side. So make sure we don't see if we can get this aligned absolutely perfect. I'm sorry if it's not totally in frame, but I've got to be able to see what I'm doing. And so I've got it aligned and I've dropped it in place, and it says touch the center. Now I see. Oops. If you can see that, as soon as I touch the center, you can see all of the little air bubbles working their way out. So I don't think we need the alignment frame. Okay. What I'm doing is just trying to make sure I get all those bubbles out. So that's pretty straightforward. The fit is obviously perfect, and there's no dust. There's no dust in the screen. All the air bubbles are out. And of course there's a little cutout at the top for the camera and such. And that's it. So that is very simple. So you've got you've got enough to do 3 iPhone 13 Pros with this particular kit. Or if you get the iPhone 14 kit, you could do 4 or 3 of the iPhone 14s. So that's an easy installation. Everything you need is included. The screen protector fits. Yeah, it's touch sensitive, so there's no problem touching the your icons. So that's good to go. So very simple right there. So now I've got a good tempered glass protector on my iPhone 13. Alright, so that takes care of the Mkeke screen protector. And I've got enough extra parts to where if something happens in that screen protector, I've got several more. So that's a good value for $7.64. Everything you need. If you're a family and you had multiple phones, you could you know, do multiple phones for a small amount of money and protect your screen. Alright, so now that that's done, let's move on and take a look at the iPhone 13 Pro, the clear case with the black edges. Now they've got, if you go to their Amazon listing, they've got completely transparent cases, they've got colored, they've got gradient ones, which I believe the case goes from clear to black or clear to gray. They've got some different options. I chose the one that had the black edges since my phone is a dark gray. I thought a clear case with black edging would look good. So the only thing that's in this box is the clear case. So obviously you can see that all the edging is black. There's a raised section right here to protect your camera and your camera lens. You've got these little bumper edges over here, which is good, so you have some impact resistance. Since there's no peel-off sticker, you got to be real careful you don't get a big fat fingerprint on the center right there. Not that I would ever do that. And there's nothing on the back, but the back's easy enough to clean. So that's basically what the case is. So I like this one with the black trim on it. I think it will look good with the space gray finish of the phone. So installation of these is pretty straightforward. You're going to put one edge in and just kind of push it into place. I think you can just push it into place. Yep. Sorry, I take it off out of frame. It just kind of snaps in. Make sure it's fully seated. And there we go. So we've got our buttons all working. The mute button, there's a big cutout for that, so you can get in there with your finger and hit that. So the cutout right there for the mute is big. This button is good over here. That works just fine. Notice right there we've got the Mkeke logo right there, down there on the side. And of course on the bottom you've got really big cutouts for the microphone and the speaker. And you got a really big cutout for your lightning port. I noticed on some cases the cutout for the lightning port's really small, and that works with the OEM lightning cable, but if you have an aftermarket one that has a bigger bezel around it, they don't fit so well. So this one's really big, so if you're using something other than the OEM lightning cable, you should not have any fitment problems. All I have are OEM lightning cables. I don't have any aftermarket ones, but I have seen some that are really chunky. So that is the installation of the Mkeke iPhone 13 Pro Clear case. So far, we'll have to see the longevity of this, but everything functions the way it's supposed to. It looks good. The fit is good. My big concern is if this will stay clear or if it will yellow over time. A lot of clear cases on the market will turn yellow from the heat of charging over time. So this is supposed to be anti-yellowing. So hopefully it stays clear and we're good to go. So we've got a screen protector and a case protector on it, and we have this nice lip right here, which I like, so you can set your phone down like this, and if you move the phone around, you're not sliding the phone around on your lens. It's on this raised lip. So that was important to me, is to make sure my lenses stay free of any type of damage. Alright, well, that's about all I have to cover in this video for the Mkeke Screen Protector 3-pack and the Mkeke iPhone 13 Pro Clear case. Links are in the description. You can check out their other options. The clear case, in case I didn't mention it, was $15.99, and the screen protectors were $7.64. So both were reasonable for what you get, and that's going to wrap up this review. Thanks for watching to the end, and I'll catch you in the next video.